Hi, my name is Violet, and I've been coming to Dr. Sharif's for a couple months now. I was talked into coming to Dr. Sharif by my husband. I didn't really know a chiropractor or very much about what they do. What I knew the day when I came in here that I was in severe chronic pain. I've been having back problems for, I guess, about the past 4 years, and I would go to like an all-around family physician. She would take x-rays of my back. She would tell me, well, I didn't see anything blowed out or ruptured or broken, so I'm going to give you some steroids, some muscle relaxers, and some pain pills to alleviate your pain. I would go home and I would take these, and the pain would subside for a little while. And keep in mind, this started about 4 years ago. And it would go away, and it would come back maybe in a month or so. Maybe it would give me a 3 months little period where I had rest from it. I would go back to her, and it was the same thing. Well, I'm going to give you some steroids, some muscle relaxers, and some pain pills. And I said, well, gee, what can I do for this? And she said, well, nothing unless you want to go in and get like an MRI, that type of thing, go to a back doctor. I had heard terrible things about back doctors. The first thing they do when they find trouble is want to do surgery on your back. I'm only 56 years old, and I wasn't ready for surgery on my back, and I wasn't willing to give up my lifestyle. But it got to the point to where the pain just came and just sat down and stayed. And the pain pills weren't even alleviating the pain. So I didn't bother go to her to get any more. My husband said, well, I'm going to go down and ask Dr. Sharif to help you. I'm sure he can do something for you. I was kind of scared of chiropractors, to tell you the truth about it. I thought, well, they're going to crack my neck, and I'm going to hear all this cracking, popping, and that's just going to scare the bejeebers out of me. So I wasn't willing at first, but when the pain stayed, my husband, Bill, he said, well, I'm going to go down and talk to him. And Sharif said, well, first start, bring her on in. He said, I can help her. He said, I'll do x-rays, we'll start there, and I can tell you if I can help. I came in, he did the x-rays. He said, well, no wonder you're in pain. You're kind of leaning this way, and then you're kind of leaning back that way. And he did some simple tests that just astounded me. I thought, man, I am not on it at all. I am not with it all. My brain wasn't functioning. He did some blood work. He told me this and that and this other problem that was going on with me, and so much more was going on with me than I had even realized, other than just the pain. But the pain's what got my attention. If pain don't go away, then I can't function. That's just a symptom. That wasn't the real issue. But with the blood work and the adjustments he's been doing, some oxygen therapy, he puts me on like a little traction roller bed with heat therapy, and it's made such a difference. I've been coming about 2 months now. I'm not in constant pain anymore. Of course, I'm taking it easy right now, but it's made such a difference. And he taught me the difference in the blood has absolutely got to flow and circulate to your brain. You've got to have oxygen to your brain. He's got me on a better diet. I'm feeling much better. The best thing is, praise God, I'm not in excruciating pain. So, I would advise anybody to go to a chiropractor. It's not half as scary as you think. It's not half as expensive as you think. I mean, your health is worth everything. I would advise anybody going through back pains, back issues, or if you're just forgetful, you're not as alert, not as vibrant, don't feel as good, it makes a world of the difference to just go to the chiropractor, and I would recommend him to anybody. He'll tell you exactly what you need to do to feel better, to be more functional, to be more alert, to be more vibrant. He will literally give you your life back.